Enamel is the outermost part of our teeth, which protects teeth from daily acid challenges. Our mouth's natural environment helps to take care of our teeth, keeping enamel strong and preventing enamel from softening or wearing away, which can lead to tooth problems, including sensitivity and pain. But consuming acidic foods and drinks can disrupt our oral environment. The good news is, Enameguard can help support the natural balance of our oral environment. Enameguard is based on a naturally derived protein peptide, which is water-soluble and can be easily formulated into end products. Most of the products on the market contain fluoride, which helps prevent acid erosion. On top of the chemical mode of action provided by fluoride, our technology can actually contribute an added enamel benefit that can help boost natural remineralization. Through in vitro and in situ studies, we found that the presence of Enameguard, used either with or without fluoride, boosted enamel microhardness after acid softening. As you can see, Enameguard assists in maintaining enamel health.